Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to send your Google Sheets file as an email. This tutorial should be pretty useful, easy to follow, quick and straightforward, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now don't worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, because it gets kind of confusing with all these different functions, with all of these different menus that we can choose from. Even if you're a beginner or a first timer in using this software, I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to send this one as an email. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you're using or the browser that you're using to open this Google Sheets is currently up to date. And because by doing so, we can actually avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way. And as you can see right here in my Google Sheets file, we have already renamed it. We got merged cells, we got currencies, different sheets right over here. We even got formulas right over here. And if you're wondering how we did those, we actually have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel. And fortunately, we even have a dedicated playlist for all the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel, so you might want to check it out. Now, as you can see in our worksheet named like, we got numerical values, and I would like to send this worksheet along these worksheets. I would like to send this spreadsheet as an email. And to do that, we actually do not have to save this file as an PDF, to save this file as a MS Excel file just to send it in email. We can actually send it directly from here. And all we have to do is to head over to the upper panel of our screen, in which we can see the tab section over here below the file name. And from the tabs, let's choose the file tab. And as you can see, we have the email option right over here. And as we hover our mouse to the email option, we can choose to email this file. And as you can see, we can even send ourselves a copy if you want a reference. And here you can type the recipient of the email, e-message, which is very optional if you want to have a message to the recipient, or the file type. We got Microsoft Excel, Open Office, and a PDF file type. Now, unfortunately for the present time, these are only the three options or the three formats that we can save it to, but maybe in the future we can save it to many other formats. But for the meantime, this is what's available. Let's say, for example, I want to say send it as a file type, Microsoft Excel. I will just type my recipient here, but unfortunately I do not have a sample email for a recipient, so I'm not gonna fill that up. Let's say, for example, I'm using this one, sample@gmail.com, just like this. And then we can add a message over here, or if you do not want to have a message, you can just leave it blank and then press send. And as simple as that, we can send our Google Sheets file as an email directly from the Google Sheets software on Google Chrome. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.